Want to amplify your crypto holdings, but don't have the upfront capital? Let's explore how to borrow money right here on Bybit. First, head over to Bybit and log into your account. You will be using margin trading, so click on derivatives on the top navigation bar, then under that select margin trading. Here you'll find a range of trading pairs. Each pair displays the available leverage, which dictates how much you can borrow relative to your own capital. Be sure to carefully evaluate the risk and reward before selecting your desired pair. Now, let's focus on the order panel. Before placing your order, ensure you've selected the borrow function. Choose your order type, market for immediate execution, or limit to specify your desired price. Also, confirm your collateral. Bybit uses your existing assets as collateral for the loan. Before you jump in, understand the crucial details: interest rates, borrowing limits, and repayment terms. These vary depending on the asset and market conditions. Interest rates are calculated periodically, and you need to repay the borrowed amount plus interest within a specific time frame. Critically, understand the risks involved. Margin trading amplifies both gains and losses. Pay close attention to your liquidation price, the point where your collateral will be sold off to cover the debt. Bybit provides tools to monitor your risk level, so manage that liquidation price carefully. For comprehensive information, explore Bybit's Help Center. You'll find answers to frequently asked questions, risk management tips, and detailed guides on margin trading. Remember, responsible trading is key to success, so start small and be cautious.